This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir, then remove about 2/3 of the fluid into a container and discard it. This will prevent the fluid reservoir from overflowing when the caliper pistons are compressed. Install the cap onto the reservoir. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the lug nut protective cover nuts, then remove the cover. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper pistons and squeeze both pistons back into their bores to provide room for the new brake pads. As the pistons are depressed to the bottoms of their caliper bores, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. Unscrew the lower caliper guide pin bolt and pivot the caliper up to access the pads. Support the caliper in this position with a length of wire so it doesn't fall down while replacing the pads. Remove the inner and outer pads from the mounting bracket. Remove the upper and lower pad retaining clips from the caliper mounting bracket. If they are cracked or distorted, or you are in doubt of their condition, replace them. If desired, apply an anti-squeal compound to the backs of both new pads where they mate with the caliper and piston. Allow the compound to cure for a few minutes before installing the pads. Do not allow the compound to contact the disc. Install the inner and outer brake pads into the mounting bracket. Pull the caliper along with the upper guide pin out of the mounting bracket. Clean the guide pin, inspect it for scoring and corrosion, then lubricate it with high-temperature brake grease. Insert the guide pin and caliper back into the bracket until the boot seats completely. Pivot the caliper over the pads. Repeat this cleaning, inspection, and lubrication step for the lower guide pin bolt. Then install it. Tighten the caliper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake pads. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid, if necessary, until the fluid reaches the max line in the reservoir. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the lug nut cover and tighten the bolts securely. Check the fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir one more time when the vehicle is on level ground, adding more fluid if necessary. Install the reservoir cap.